Good afternoon, students. So today we will be discussing about a capacitor, that is the second part of the chapter 2. Okay, so it's like an analytical part of second chapter. So till now what we have studied is we have studied about charge, its properties, its electric field, its application, and many things we have studied. But the main thing is, can we store this charge? Such question arises, okay, every time, because the human nature is what uh, always wants to utilize it, always want its applicability. So its application, now charge can be stored. See, human nature is like this, we always want to gather something, okay, always try to accumulate something. If you talk about habit also, it's just an accumulation. If you talk about money also, okay, always try to save, right? So such tendencies is human tendency. So here, now after studying about charge and everything, now our concern is, can we store the charge? Okay, can we store the charge? So such question arises, okay. Okay, storing charge, how to store charge? So we need a two parallel plates, okay, like these plates. Okay, plates of what type? Plates of conducting in nature. Conducting in the sense these are metals, okay, metals. So these two are the plates, okay. So let's say one positive plates, one negative plates, okay. Now this part, okay, this distance between this plate A and B is insulating in nature. The distance between these two, the gap that is existing between plate A and B is insulated. So such type of arrangement, okay, in which two conducting plates are separated by a small distance, okay, and that distance is insulated. This distance, okay, this distance D is a insulating part, okay, insulating region. So metal plates, two metal conducting plates separated by a small distance, such arrangements are called capacitor. Such arrangement are called what? Capacitor. Understood? So this is the first part, that is the introduction of capacitor. What is capacitor? Capacitor is nothing but, capacitor is an arrangement of two metallic plate separated by a distance. That distance or a gap is a insulating in medium. And what is the purpose? Why we are studying this? What is the use? The use is to store the charge, okay. The use is to store the charge. There are many other uses, but our primary concern is to store the charge. Understood? Is it clear up to here? Okay, I'll create a next slide. In that next video we will be studying about its derivation, okay.